Eh? Don't try your papa. Hi guys, it's your girl Bash. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm a YouTuber and a makeup artist based in Lagos, Nigeria. If you're a new subscriber, hi! Please go through my video and subscribe and join the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, hi guys, hi babes. So for today's video, I'll be showing you affordable makeup products for beginners. When it comes to makeup, you don't need to splurge, you don't need to break the bank to look good. There are affordable makeup products that you can use to achieve a flawless finish. If that sounds like what you're interested in, please keep on watching. So first things first, before you start applying any makeup product or any makeup whatever on your face, you need to cleanse your skin. It doesn't matter if you're just out of the shower or if you've been inside the house all day, you still need to cleanse your skin. You would actually be very surprised when you clean your face and then you see the amount of leftover dirt on your face. So for cleansing, you can use the Mismetics micellar water and a wet wipes. You can actually use wet wipes or you can use cotton pad, whichever is convenient for you. For moisturizer, you can use the Blossom Moist Essence. Please guys, moisturizing is very important. You have to moisturize your skin for it to give you that flawless makeup. For primer, I have two primers with me. You can use the Pond's Lasting Oil Control Primer, or you can use the Hydro Grip Primer Blossom Makeup. This is what it looks like, also affordable. For sweat stops, you can use the Adventurous Sweat and Oil Barrier. This is what it looks like. You can use it to control the production of sweat on your T-zones. This is it. For foundation, the Zikel foundation, it's inexpensive, very affordable. Matter of fact, that is what I have on right now. It's very affordable. Then for concealer, you can use the Blossom Makeup Concealer, their Spotless Perfect Camouflage Super Matte Concealer. This is what it looks like. Or you can use the Yanga Beauty Smooth Match Concealer. This is more expensive than this. Whichever one that your pockets can actually go for, they are both good. Setting powder, you can use the Nuban Beauty Setting Powder, or you can use the Menow Pro Luxury Powder. You can use the Nuban Beauty The Glow Loose Highlighter. This is it. You know guys, when it comes to makeup, you don't really have to like break the bank or buy expensive products. Makeup is basically in the application. Even if you buy expensive products and you don't follow the rules and don't apply it properly, it is still not going to come out nice. So it's not really, it's about your product, yes, but they are affordable products that can still get the job done. You get what I'm saying? For blush, you can use the CPD Blush Extraordinaire. This is my favorite blush. I love it. It comes in the shade of 6 colors. And this blush can last you for like a while, I promise. It's so nice. This is my favorite. I love using orange on dark skin because it gives that lush, you know, that luscious look. I love this. Or you can actually decide to get those single compact blush. I don't have one here. Those single compact blushes. But this, you can actually use any of this as your transition color when it comes to eyeshadow. You know, it's makeup. You can play around it. You can bring up your own stuff. At this point, Blossom needs to come and sign me because I have literally almost all their products, but they are very nice. This is the Blossom Makeup African Queen. I love this eyeshadow. Is not so, you know, it's, I think I got it for 8,000 or 8,500 thereabouts, but I promise you it comes in this. It looks like this. 54 colors, both matte and shimmer. I promise you there is no look you want to create that you won't see in this palette, and it's very pigmented. It is worth every penny, honestly. For setting spray, you can decide to get the Kids Beauty Makeup Fix. This is what it looks like. This is the green tea, or the Kids Beauty Makeup Fix Spray. This is like a refreshing mix. This is what it looks like, both affordable. For your brows, I have two pencils here. This is the Davis OG. Like, who doesn't know Davis at this point? This is the number 3 shade. This is what it looks like. Not expensive. This is the wood eyeliner pencil. But if you like gel liners, then you can get the Karite eyeliner, both the black and the brown. inexpensive as well. So this is what it looks like. If you love gel liners, you can go for this brand. You can actually use this hair wax for your brows, to tame your brows, to avoid any flyouts. You can use this. Quite affordable. The price is even here, $9.80. It's not expensive, so that your brows can actually like glide through easily. But one thing with this is you have to be very careful, because this is oily. So if you put a lot, it's going to make your brows look oily. So what you would do is you take a little bit, you apply, then you set it with either your powder, your compact powder, or you set it with your setting powder or your baking powder, then before you apply your brows. To hydrate your lips, you know, when you are applying them, when you're done with your skin prep, you need to moisturize your lips so that it can actually be ready for when you want to put on your lipstick. You can actually be going for a matte look or a glossy look. So to moisturize your lips, you can use the Vaseline Lip Therapy. This is what it looks like. Don't try your papa. So guys, Nigeria has happened. They've taken the light and I've changed the lights. I have a different light setup, but this is not as bright as my previous lights. But thank God I'm almost done with this video. So for your lips, you can use the same Davis pencil you used for your brows. Since we are going for making an affordable video, you have to like get a lipstick that you can use for everyday wear. And I have this lipstick. I've had this for months, for years actually. The name has wiped off. I don't know, there are no names on it, but this is what it looks like. This is not so nude, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Then for your finishing spray, you can get the So Pro finishing spray. There's a smaller one, So Pro Cosmetics Silhouette Spray. This is the finishing spray. This seals your makeup. Your makeup go nowhere. This seals it. You can use any waterproof mascara, but I have the one. This is Oriflame. You can use any mascara, honestly, so long as it's waterproof and it doesn't stain. That is perfect. So guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please, if you have any questions, you can comment down below and I would answer you. If you have any makeup recommendations, something you want me to talk about, please don't forget to comment in the comment section and I would answer you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.